night fades, the moonlight paints the water. Echoes drift where restless rivers keep. Northern glow is rising in the silence, every secret carried into sleep. Sail on, through the silver night we go. Stories written in the stars that glow. Sail on, and nothing here to tie us down. We are falling gently to the ground. Promises are drawn in constellations. Love is just a window made of glass. Whispers call me softly from the distance. Every star remembers